Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to fix most commonly occurring network issues on this laptop. So first of all, you can go to the control center, go to your Wi-Fi network, make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi so that this toggle is switched to the right. And if you cannot use your network, if it doesn't work properly, you can reconnect to it by selecting it from the list and then selecting forget this network, then reconnect to it by going to Wi-Fi, selecting this network once again, and then entering the password to it. Try to connect to it and see if it helps you. And in case it doesn't help you, what you can do is restart the router if you have the access to it. And once you restart your router, see if this fixed your problem. If it didn't, go to launcher, then settings. In settings, select about Chrome OS right here. Then go to diagnostics. Then select connectivity tab. Then run the connectivity troubleshooting. And see if where the problem is. For me, the problem is the weak signal strength, so I have to move closer to the Wi-Fi signal source. But you can see what causes the problem for you. And in case you didn't detect the problem, then maybe you should just go to a different network, then select about Chrome OS again, and then select firmware updates and check if your device has any updates to install, because most probably your device is simply outdated, and once you install all the required updates, the problem will be fixed. But if the problem still isn't fixed, you can just reach out to your internet provider and ask if there is a problem on their side. You can also check for updates by clicking right here. But you have to be online to do this. And if there is a problem on the side of your internet network provider, then they should solve it within most commonly 24 hours. And once they solve their problem, you'll be able to use your Wi-Fi once again. And that's it for this video, so thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.